y'all. You know what time it is? Vlogmas. The month of December, I will be releasing a video every day. Yes, you heard me, every day. And this series is going to be called Etsymas. Yes, because my videos are going to be related to Etsy. I'm having such success on Etsy and I want to share it with you all. But before I do, you in the mood for a Christmas gift? What about an ornament? This ornament is beautiful and you can get it in my shop. It's a glass ornament, multicultural, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Black sisters on this one, y'all. Get this in your life. Can you see it? Yeah. Get it at my shop. They're going fast, so you better get them now. It'd be a wonderful gift. But anywho, y'all, I want to share something with you. Today, I got a message from Etsy saying that I was invited to participate in something new called the Etsy Explore. So I want to tell you all about it. And let me know down in the comments, did you get an invite? Sis, bro, let me know. If so, how did it make you feel? What did you think about it? I was ecstatic. At first I thought it was like, oh, somebody is spam in. But it wasn't. Let's get into it. This is the message that I received in my messages from Etsy exclusive access. Did you hear me, y'all? I said exclusive access. And this is what it says. It says that they're part of the research team and they're working on a new experience called Explore that surfaces engaging video content in the Etsy app as a fun way to help buyers discover new items. It's a great opportunity that could drive more traffic to your listings. I'm thinking they're probably trying to compete with TikTok, and I'll tell you why in a moment. A lot of the other social platforms are doing so. People like TikTok, they like little short videos and seeing your process and thus far. So they know that I'm active on social media and I think that I will be perfect to test out the feature. And they're going to test it with buyers in December. And it tells you how you can upload the video and also tells you a little bit more about Explore. So you basically have to download the Etsy Seller Preview app, find the Explore button in the Marketing tab, and then just select a video from your camera roll. If you're like me, I have a lot of short videos. I like TikTok. You can follow me on TikTok as well if you like. And add a caption, link it to the listing in your shop, and go right ahead. Etsy has a help center. Very, very useful. If you haven't checked it out, please consider doing so. And I just want to let you know this is through invite only for this Etsy Seller Preview app for the Explore option. Okay? Even gives you a little bit more information on it. Let's check it out. This is perfect, right? Gives you a little snapshot of it. And that's what it looks like on your phone. You can show the process of you creating your items. A lot of people like to see the behind the scenes. Write your caption. Tell a story. Stories go a long way. Link directly to the listing. I think that's amazing. And they have different types of things, segments if you will, for the video. And mine is actually going to be going. The video, if you'd like to, you can delete that. And you can monitor the post performance, which is really important when you're testing out new information. You want to see what it does for your shop. And here's the good thing. The good thing about this is typically when platforms have new items that they're testing out, if you're selected to participate in that, it typically does lead to more traction to your shop or your listings because they were testing it out. They want to get as much feedback as possible. So they may start sending folks your way. So if you have the opportunity, I really, really, really encourage you to check it out, okay? Be up to 3 minutes long, and it can include sound. So I use some catchy music with mine, okay? Write a caption, save it. This is the best part. You can link it to your listing, so when they click on it, they can go directly to whatever item you're highlighting in that video. They don't have to think about it. If your link to the listing, say you sold out of that product, it's still going to be active. The video is still going to be active, and it's just going to reroute them to your actual home, your shop home, which is still good. And you'll get to see what the reach was, how many buyers favored it, what was the revenue from it, if any, the listing visits, the shop visits. It's the good thing here, guys. Check this out right here. Etsy is telling you, if you look into it, Etsy will tell you what you need to do to be successful. Just do it. For the best engagement with shoppers, we recommend uploading at least 2 videos a week. Consider posting to explore every time you post to social media. They're telling you something here. There's a hint, hint. Want me to dive a little deeper and show you mine? I definitely will do that. I do not have a problem at all. I would just have to screen record my phone because the app is on my cellular device. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments, what else do you want to know about Etsy? Let your girl know so I can give you the info for show. Okay, y'all. Take care. Bye.